Welcome back, everybody. What do we got today? The 28th of December. We are out on a little spider ride. There's the gorgeous Deborah K putting on her helmet. And we stopped here at the Guadalupe right before it goes into Canyon Lake. Same river I ride, but it's below Canyon Lake where I ride the river road. Very gorgeous river, very gorgeous place. We decided to go down into the river, stand on the rocks, just listen to the water, and just chill on this very beautiful December day in New Braunfels, Texas. So we're going to get down the road. I'll come back. I think we're going to do Spring Branch Road after we leave here. So I'll come back then. And we're going to see if her mic will work this time. Wish us luck. Welcome back, everybody. Yes, we are off-roading in the Spider. We stopped to get her mic turned on. And like I said, we're just checking this mic. We have not got it to work yet. Right, hopefully today is the day. It picks up a lot of wind noise, so. And here comes a car. I want to go slow through here. I'll probably pull over next to the little thing and let them go around us so I can go super slow. And we are on Spring Branch off at 281. So if you're coming out of San Antonio and you're coming up 281, you turn left onto Spring Branch. And this is just a windy little road through hill country. And I normally just outrun that car behind us, but with me not feeling good, it's just easier to let him go around us. That would be a cool old house. There you go. And now I come out and be old and slow. Yep. See, we can get a ranch out here too. After you retire. So is that what we do on these rides? We just look at property? Oh. That's a road that doesn't say no outlet. Not today. Not today. This will take us all the way home almost. That water is so clear. It amazes me how clear this water is. No, but like all the creeks, not all of them, but a lot of them back in Ohio, they're not as clear. Whatever. There's one, it's Monday Creek. It's like this weird green color. Horsies. Oh, that first one's really pretty. I bet land out through here isn't as bit. The English is killing me. You think just for property out here? That's old Spring Branch Road. Huh. And here's the Guadalupe River again. See? I won't stop in the middle of this one like I normally do. Oh, person's working out. Yeah, when we get back, I'm gonna look and see how much land is out here. Pretty through here. Cottage rentals. It's like a roller coaster. You sure you want me to put my hands up? Okay. See, this is how the roads are back in Ohio. They're up and down and left and right. Yep. And they are very fun to ride. You would enjoy it. Yeah, all the roads around Mom and Dad's house are amazing. All right, let's see if I can split the... There we go. I missed it with the front and the back tire. Little baby kitty. Yep. It was very flat. Oh. Nice. To the left of us. Oh, there's some out here too. Yeah. Am I getting what it rained on? Yeah, I'm getting rained on. I'm feeling it since I ride with my face shield open. Yeah, I'm feeling it on my face. Yep. Well, here's our 20% chance of it's definitely raining now. Yep. Okay, we'll pick up the pace a little bit, see if we can blow through it. We spent too much time playing in the river. It was, wasn't it? I see why people go and sit in there all day long and just listen. And I think that's some type of park in there. Yeah. Don't do it. Oh yeah, look at him. Bicyclist in front of us. I think this is the closest road that reminds me of Ohio than what I've been on, because it's just not just straight. And next time we're back home, I'm going to take you on this road. You access it through the backside of Rockbridge. You go across this bridge, and then there's a railroad track, and you go off to the left. And it follows the Hocking River all the way into Sugar Grove. Yeah, that road reminds me of the River Road. It's where you take all your boyfriends to make out. You never took me there. Yeah, I forget how I came across that road. I think I was on the blue bike. Oh, into Lancaster? Yep. Yeah, it's really pretty through there. Here we go. There's a house for sale. Yeah, we're almost close to 46, so it'd probably be super easy to find. Don't do it. Don't. Ooh. Yeah, we extended everything all the way on that one. Almost felt like we came off the road a little bit. Yeah, see right here's 46. Ooh, big potholes. follow 46 out all the way one day. I don't think it would be a very exciting ride, but just to say I've done it. And then this way takes us all the way back home. I guess I'll let everybody go, and then you can turn your mic off too when we're done. That way it's just not sitting there recording audio for another hour. Oh, you already said bye. All right, so if you could give me a big old thumbs up, stay safe everybody. I'll see you down the road. And she already said bye, so bye-bye.